What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be talking about how to install WSL or Windows Subsystem for Linux on a Windows 10 machine. So we'll start with what is WSL? WSL is basically a way to run and install a Linux distribution on a Windows machine that's lightweight and doesn't come with all the hassle of standing up a virtual machine. So to install WSL, you can just go down to your search bar, type in apps, click on this apps and features, wait for this to pop up. Then you're going to go on the right hand side and click programs and features. Once that shows up, click on turn Windows features on or off. And in this pop-up, you're going to scroll for Windows Subsystem for Linux. I already have it checked, but make sure you check that box and hit OK. I think there might be a restart now button that you can click after that to restart your machine so the changes take effect. After that, you have WSL installed, so you can get a version of a Linux distribution from the Microsoft Store. So if you go to the Microsoft Store, you can pick a couple different Linux distributions that are available. I stuck with using Ubuntu, so just in the search bar, type in Ubuntu. I got this 18.04 LTS. And you should have an install button there. So just install that, and then you'll be able to run the Ubuntu application and have a Linux terminal available to you. So that's how you get WSL and install Ubuntu on a Windows 10 machine. Thanks, everybody. Hope you learned something.